Chow time now, and civilian chefs, the best that money can hire, are preparing dinner for the hungry eatlet. Great baskets of golden brown French fries and those rows of luscious steaks. Boy, can't you just smell them broiling. Let's get out of here before we grab one. But if the chefs are best, so are the eaters. And after a typically active day, how these boys can eat. Great care is given to the diet of the flying cadet, and only the best is good enough. The cadet adjutant comes forward and publishes the order of the day. As soon as orders are published, he sounds off, "Carry on at will." Action starts. The lower classmen have the dubious honor of seeing that the waiters keep all dishes refilled. But later their time will come as upperclassmen.